is an adult and she very well knew what she was procuring. She was procuring. Cut through the visuals. Cut through the visuals. Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda. Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda being taken out. We cannot identify the person in the maroon hoodie, but in green hoodie, it is Dipesh Sawant. They are being taken for a medical checkup, it seems. Riya Chakrabarti is out over here. Riya Chakrabarti has been brought out. She is in a black shawl. She has stepped out. Riya Chakrabarti has stepped out. She is being taken for a medical checkup.
Riya Chakrabarti, their visuals coming in, live visuals. She just walks out. Here she's been taken for a medical test. Riya Chakrabarti now will be escorted by the NCB sleuths, the police officers there, the lady officers who are accompanying her. She's now going to be taken in for a medical test. A COVID-19 test is now, of course, mandatory, considering now she's been arrested. She will be in custody. First things first, is she fit enough to be taken into custody? A COVID-19 test will be carried out, but not quite a drug test, which will be carried out, is what inside NCB sources tell us, that a drug test will not be carried out as of now. This is only procedural. In fact, right now it's procedure. They're going to be carrying out a medical test, all general tests that will be carried out. Divyesh, take us through this test that will be carried out right now. Riya Chakrabarti has been taken in for a medical test.
Nabila, Riya Chakrabarti is seated in the third row, and this is an NCB vehicle, which you can see, the windows are not covered this time, and one can clearly see that she is seated in the last row on the right side. She can be seen in our camera. That's Riya Chakrabarti looking at the media, seeing the media personnel waiting over here. She is being taken to the hospital for a routine medical checkup. Remember, after arrest, each and every accused has to undergo a medical checkup where their fitness is checked before being produced in court. Before being produced in court, each and every accused person is taken for a medical checkup. Riya Chakrabarti is also being taken to the hospital right now. She's leaving right now.
Right, Divyesh, here we're looking at Riya Chakrabarti there. Is she accompanied by any of the family members and vehicles behind? We understand that Satish Mani Shinde, a lawyer, is around somewhere, but is there anybody accompanying Riya Chakrabarti? Is she alone? Now it's a lone battle for her, is it?
No, Nabila. No one is accompanying Riya Chakrabarti. She's being accompanied by NCB officials, Narcotics Control Bureau officials, and police officials. In the two vehicles, in another vehicle, Dipesh Sawant and which we suspect is Samuel Miranda, they are also being taken for a medical checkup. Meanwhile, she'll also be tested for COVID-19. A COVID-19 check will also be done, which is mandatory due to the pandemic, for each and every accused to undergo a RT-PCR test, where her swabs will be taken to check if she is suffering from COVID-19 or if she has been infected by COVID-19 or not. Her health will be checked, whether